Hello friends, today we are discuss about the drug target and the cell receptor. First one is the drug targets. A drug target, it is a molecule in the body, usually a protein, that is intrinsically associated with a particular disease process and that could be addressed by the drug produced to desired therapeutic effect. There are multiple drug targets that include the cell wall, cell membrane, ribosome, metabolic pathway, plasma membrane and DNA synthesis. The plasma membrane transport. The plasma membrane transport affect pharmacological activity of drugs by mediating their absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. The cell wall. A number of drugs inhibit the cell wall synthesis. Most important are vancomycin, which target monomer polymerization and beta-lactam. Example, penicillin and the cephalosporins, which block polymer cross-linking. Then the DNA synthesis. These are some drugs that inhibit the DNA synthesis. The quinolones are a key group of antibiotic inhibit the topoisomerase, most frequently topoisomerase 2, an enzyme involved in the DNA replication. Then the metabolic pathway. The drug target is depends on the drug action is depend on the metabolism rate of and increasing with the drug concentration. Then we discuss about the cell receptors. So the cell receptors are the proteins in our body inside a cell or its surface which receive a signal. In normal physiology, this chemical is a signal which this chemical is a received signal where a protein ligand binds a protein receptor. The ligand is a chemical messenger released by one cell to signal either itself or different cell. There are types of receptors: the nuclear receptors, enzyme link receptors, G protein coupled receptors, and the ligand gated ion channel receptors. The nuclear receptors are a family of ligand regulated transcription factors that are activated by steroid hormones such as estrogen and progesterone and various other lipid soluble signals, including the retinoic acid, oxysterol, and the thyroid hormone. The enzyme linked receptor, also known as the catalytic receptor, is a transmembrane receptor where the binding of an extracellular ligand causes the enzymatic activity on the intracellular side. Hence, a catalytic receptor is an integral membrane of the protein possessing both catalytic and receptor functions. Ion channel receptors. The ion channel receptors are usually a multimeric proteins located in the plasma membrane. Each of these proteins arranges itself so that it forms passageway for or pore extending from one side of membrane to the other. The G protein coupled receptors GPCR are the largest and the most diverse group of membrane receptors in the eukaryotes. These cell surfaces receptor act like in an inbox for messages in the form of light, energy, peptide, lipids, sugars and proteins. Thank you.